Conditional class. Conditional class. Conditional sentences start with if are called if conditional class. It contains two classes. They are if class and result class. For example, if you study well, you will score good mark. If you study well, if class start with if. It is the conditional class. You will score good mark, result class. If class is the subordinate class, it needs result class to give complete meaning. Types of conditional class. There are 4 types of conditional classes. They are zero conditional class or real conditional class. First conditional class or possible conditional class. Second conditional class or imaginary conditional class. Third conditional class or impossible conditional class. Zero conditional class or real conditional class. If you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, if class, it melts. Result class. Heat is the verb present in the if class. It is in simple present tense. Melts is the verb present in the result class. It is in simple present tense. First conditional class or possible conditional class. If you run fast, you will catch the bus. If you run fast, if class. You will catch the bus, result class. Run is the verb present in the if class. It is in simple present tense. Will catch is the verb present in result class. It is in simple future tense. Second conditional class or imaginary conditional class. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, if class. I would fly, result class. Verb were is in past tense. Verb would fly, would plus infinitive. Third conditional class or impossible conditional class. If you had studied, you would have passed the exam. If you had studied, if class, you would have passed, result class. Had studied is the verb present in if class. It is in past perfect tense. Would have passed is the verb present in result class. Would have plus past participle. Point to remember. Memorize it. If class and result class are in present positive and future positive, you should write in first conditional class. If class and result class are in present negative, you should write in second conditional class. If class and result class are in past tense, you should write in third conditional class. You study grammar, it gets easier. Combine using if. Study is present positive. Gets is present positive. It is general truth. We should write in zero conditional class. If you study grammar, it gets easier. You practice every day, you improve. Combine using if. Verb practice is in present positive. Verb improve is in present positive. we should write in first conditional class. Don't change the first verb practice. Change the second verb improve into will improve. If you practice every day, you will improve. It rains. I shall get wet. Combine using if. Verb rains is in present positive. Verb shall get is in future positive. So we should write in first conditional class. Don't change the verb. Simply add if before the sentences. If it rains, I shall get wet. Another example, the bus breaks down. I won't be able to attend the class. Combine using if. Breaks down is in present positive. Won't be able is in future negative. So we should write in first conditional class. If the bus breaks down, I won't be able to attend the class. You don't change the verb and simply add if before the sentences. Sheila is late to submit her activity note. She is punished. Combine using if. Verb is in present positive. Verb is punished is in present positive in passive voice. We should write in first conditional class. Also we should write result class in future tense in passive voice. Don't change the verb is. Is punished is changed into will be punished. If Sheila is late to submit her activity note, she will be punished. Ratna is busy. She doesn't attend the function. Combine using if. Verb is in present positive. Verb doesn't attend is in present negative. So we should write in second conditional class. Also we should write if class in past negative and result class in positive. Verb is changed into weren't. Verb doesn't attend is changed into would attend. If Ratna weren't busy, she would attend the function. Note: be form of verb am, is, or, was, were are changed into were in second conditional class. Tomorrow isn't a holiday. I go to school. Combine using if. Verb isn't is in present negative. Verb is in present positive. So we should write in second conditional class. Also we should write if class in past positive and result class in negative. Verb isn't is changed into were. Verb go is changed into would not go. If tomorrow were a holiday, I would not go to school. I don't have enough money. I don't buy a house. Combine using if. Verb don't have is in present negative. Verb don't buy is in present negative. So we should write in second conditional class. Also we should write if class in past positive and result class in positive. Don't have is changed into had. Don't buy is changed into would buy. If I had enough money, I would buy a house. I won the lottery. I bought a house. Verb won is in past positive. Verb bought is in past positive. So we should write in third conditional class. Also we should write if class and result class in negative. Verb own is changed into hadn't own. Verb bought is changed into would not have bought. If I hadn't won lottery, I would not have bought a house. Ramu ran slowly. He doesn't catch the bus. Verb ran is in past positive. Verb didn't catch is in past negative. So we should write in third conditional class. Also we should write if class in negative and result class in positive. Verb run is changed into hadn't run. Verb didn't catch is changed into would have coughed. If Ramu hadn't run slowly, he would have catched the bus. Suguna didn't pay fees. She was sent out. Didn't pay past negative. Was sent past positive in passive voice. So we should write in third conditional class. Also we should write if class in positive and result class in negative. Verb don't pay is changed into had paid. Verb was sent is changed into would not have been sent. Been indicate the passive voice. If Suguna had paid fees, she would not have been sent out. Sumati was not well. She did not attend the function. Was not is in past negative. Did not attend is in past negative. So we should write in third conditional class. Also we should write if class and result class in positive. Was not is changed into had been. Did not attend is changed into would have attended. If Sumati had been well, she would have attended the function. If you are attentive, or is in present tense, so it is first conditional class. If you are attentive, you will understand the lesson. If she were a doctor, where is in past tense, it is second conditional class. If she were a doctor, she would build a hospital. If he had more money, had is in past tense. So it is second conditional class. If he had more money, he would help the needy. If she had come earlier, had come is in past perfect tense. It is third conditional class. If she had come earlier, she would have walked the bus. If she had studied well, had studied in past perfect tense. It is third conditional class. If she had studied well, she would have passed.